Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP Ui5 projects. In this video, we'll learn how to convert a text into HTML and integrate that converter into SAP Ui5. Certainly, you need to have a basic knowledge of HTML. You need to have IDE. It can be Web IDE or your local IDE or SAP Business Application Studio, SAP BAS. And in the end, you need to have basic knowledge of SAP Ui5. So we'll jump to an article. This article link will be added in the video description. In this article, we have given theoretical as well as coding structure of how you can integrate the same. So certainly there are two different ways that you can do it. One is using a rich text editor provided by SAP, and the second one is using JavaScript. So JavaScript certainly has a lot of way to convert a text into HTML. So this is the section which we'll not discuss in the video, but you can read the article and learn this. So we'll be following something provided by SAP. So I will jump to the coding part. So if you see within application, so we have a test application here and view and controller is created. So there are two different ways. One is like you can just use the HTML parts, the XML parts. So you can have rich text editor added here, and one more VBox where you have to add text area where the converted text will be added. Then we have two buttons, one to convert the data from text to HTML, and the other one is to like copy whatever is created. Perfect. So we'll just enable this one and disable the code in controller. So we have like created the same thing twice. So you can have a rich text editor in the XML and you can have the rich text editor in the controller. Many times during deployment or after deployment, we were getting a lot of issues where this text editor was not getting preloaded. So that's why we added the code in the controller. We made it as sap.ui.require so that it has to load, then only the rest of the program will load. Anyhow, I will be showing the UI part first. I will run the code. You see, this editor is created for you with a lot of functionalities, something that you get in Word, Microsoft Word. Similarly, you have all the features here. So now I will disable this part and will enable this part of code. This is same. Certainly you will be confused like why I am using these two. So both are same. The only difference is that this text editor is created using JavaScript and this is using the XML. This one loads during the on init operation of the UI5. So if I refresh, the same editor will load. Now I can write hi. My name is Rudra. Thanks. Even you can add a logo, so I will just go back and copy the logo from here. See, like this. And you can make this part bold using this one. This can be cursive and this can be underlined. Fine. Click on convert. Everything in terms of HTML is created. So style is added. You don't have to write a single code for that. And when you copy, this entire content will be copied. Something like that. Fine. And for image, no source is provided. So this is something you have to provide by yourself. This is one of the feature that it is lagging. And if I come back to code, so what happens on conversion, you just get the value from the rich text editor. That's it. So you get the value, this value from rich text editor, and this value you set into this particular box. That's it. So this text editor always returns value in form HTML. So we are not writing a single code, we are not converting anything, just we are fetching the value, and the value itself is in HTML format. So that's it. So we'll meet in another video. Thank you.